Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. This is my brother. He told me to escape. Okay.
I think he's always on the murderer side. Okay, come on. Oh, dang, I wish I was murderer.
We are in the stage 2.
Hey guys, if you're the murderer, you better own up now. It's not me.
Fast, fast,
Do
fast,
not let
fast,
the
fast.
murderer win. We must all band together. Okay, Nico, I don't trust
Oh my
you.
god, is this my grandpa's teeth?
There's someone trying to get me right now.
Oh no, I died.
Where'd you pull that out from,
Let's
dude?
jump
Don't let me
over
kill you.
this grandpa's teeth. Okay, this is a snake.
I don't
Let's
know if I trust Zoe, bro. She kinda
pass
camping
over
outside
this
that
snake.
room. Zoe is camping. Oh, nah.
We are in the stage 6. Oh no, let's find the key. Where is the freaking key?
I know who
Oh
to
no,
save
I
right
see
now.
the key.
Nico, why are you being so
Oh,
silent?
I'm in the shadows.
Oh, you're in the shadows, huh? Well, you only got 3 minutes.
now it's my grandma's teeth.
Oh my goodness.
Is it you? Hey, chill. No, it's not me. Me and Zoe are banded up together. So the murderer
Oh
fucking
no,
is
I
no
died
way that we both
again.
die.
Oh no, my 9 toothbrush. Maybe this is my toothbrush. The blue one. Oh no. Oh yeah, I'm right. Maybe the green one. Yeah. Now the brown one, maybe? Yeah. Now to the checkpoint. Jump on my brother's toothbrush. Checkpoint again. Small snake. Skinny snake. Like a rope. Ooh, elevator time. Badge. Okay. Let's jump on my eyeballs. Oh no, I died. Jump. Oh. Oh. What is this button? Let's press it. Okay. Oh no, this is slippery. If I fall, I will see my death. I hope this is... Oh, this is not slippery. Oh no, what is this? My tummy acid. And my food. I eat peanuts all the time. Checkpoint. Let's climb on the ladder. 2-stage ladder. 3rd stage ladder. 4th stage ladder. 5th stage ladder. 6th stage ladder. Almost there. Yes, checkpoint. What is this? A hot dog? No. Checkpoint again. Oh, I can just cheat. I will cheat on top of this. Boop. Guys, help me to choose. I will pick left or right. Let's go to the left. Yeah. We are in the vents. Oh, this is suspicious. Let's go here. Yeah, here. No, here. Yeah, this is not. Yeah, this is suspicious. I told you guys. Thanks for helping me. Lasers, squares. Jump over all of these. Vent again. Who is this Baconair? Hi, Baconair. Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. We're almost there. Let's defeat the hobby. Jump, jump, jump. We're here. Almost there. Jump, 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 jump. Oh no, is that a big man? Hey, why did you kidnap me? Oh no. We are in the mouth. Oh my god. Oh. Pizza time, chicken time, cake time, apple time, chicken time, peach time, bone time. Chicken. Oh no, is this his butt? His butt is kind of big. Oh no, I don't want to go. Help! No! No! Yes, guys, we made it. Thanks for your help. Bye!